We have done a water treatment plant. This is Maruba Dam, the existing.
Yes.
This is Machakos town. So we have done all these red lines and blue lines are water lines around 95 kilometers, which we have finished.
Yes.
We have finished the 10,000 cubic meter water treatment plant
Yes.
near Maruba.
Yeah.
So for water, and it's operational now,
Yes.
we are able to pump water to. We have 4 tanks,
Yeah.
one in Katerebu, there is Kemakemwe, and there is Iveti.
Yeah.
So currently, we are able to pump water all the way to Katerebu using the new system.